pumpkin ivy gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most nutritious of the ivy gourd recipes. Today we are going to make pumpkin ivy gourd coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 150 grams of pumpkin cut into pieces, 100 grams of ivy gourd cut into pieces, 1 red chili, 1 green chili, 2 to 3 shallots, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour it in milk oil. Put in the ginger, salt, put in the garlic, put in the shallot, gravy. Mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix. Mix the tomato pieces and the pumpkin pieces together. Put in the green chili and the red chili. Mix in the tomato pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in 1.5 spoons of mixture spices. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mixing the mixture spices with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix heavily and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker or 25 minutes in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in the washed and soaked rice, 1 cup. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the pumpkin ivy gourd coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final pumpkin ivy gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most unique of the pumpkin recipes, one of the most different of the ivy gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.